Welcome to the wonderful world of color modification in Adobe Illustrator. Get ready to revitalize your artwork. Let's start with the Recolor artwork tool first. Select your artwork, go to Edit in the menu bar, find Edit Colors, and select Recolor Artwork. The Recolor Artwork dialog shows all the colors in your artwork. Slide the color pickers to shift the colors. You can also choose new custom colors. By adjusting each color, you'll see immediate changes to the artwork. Use this for total control and specific color matching. You can shift the hues using the color wheel. Next, let's use the pre-made color schemes. In the Recolor Artwork dialog, choose from a bunch of color groups. Click to see how your artwork is quickly transformed. The Limit Color feature lets you create better color-coordinated designs. Choose your desired color count, and the software will rearrange the colors in the artwork for a finished, polished result. Fantastic! You now know how to use the Recolor Artwork tool. Have fun modifying colors. It opens a door of creative possibilities for your artwork.